At the end of this video you will get a free business plan template that you can download and modify to easily create a quality business plan for your new business. Creating a comprehensive business plan is a crucial step for any aspiring entrepreneur or established business seeking growth. This video outlines the essential components and strategic considerations to craft a robust business plan that not only secures funding but also serves as a roadmap for success. 1. Executive Summary. Begin with a concise overview of your business, mission, and goals. Clearly state the problem your business solves and highlight its unique value proposition. Provide a snapshot of your financial projections and funding requirements. The executive summary is the first impression investors or stakeholders will have, so make it compelling. 2. Company Description. Offer a detailed description of your company, including its history, mission, vision, and core values. Define your target market and audience. Discuss the competitive landscape and explain how your business stands out. This section sets the foundation for the rest of the business plan. 3. Market Analysis. Conduct thorough market research to understand industry trends, customer needs, and competitor strengths and weaknesses. Identify your target market, assess its size and demographics, and outline your market strategy. Demonstrate a deep understanding of your industry to build credibility with potential investors. 4. Organization and Management. Provide an organizational structure, detailing key team members' roles and responsibilities. Highlight the skills and expertise each team member brings to the table. If applicable, include advisory board members. This section helps demonstrate the competence and capabilities of your leadership team. 5. Product or service line. Describe your products or services in detail. Highlight their features, benefits, and unique selling points. Discuss any intellectual property, patents, or proprietary technologies associated with your offerings. Clearly articulate how your products or services meet the needs of your target market. 6. Marketing and Sales Strategy. Outline your marketing and sales plans. Define your target audience and describe your promotional strategies. Detail your sales channels and distribution methods. Include pricing strategies and sales forecasts. A well-thought-out marketing and sales strategy demonstrates your approach to acquiring and retaining customers. 7. Funding Request. If you're seeking funding, specify the amount and explain how you'll use the funds. Provide a breakdown of the required investment, including equipment, marketing, and working capital. Justify the funding request with financial projections and a clear return on investment for potential investors. 8. Financial Projections. Present detailed financial forecasts, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Use realistic assumptions and provide a clear explanation of your financial model. Investors will scrutinize these projections, so ensure they are based on thorough research and market analysis. 9. Appendix. Include any additional information that supports your business plan, such as resumes of key team members, market research data, or relevant charts and graphs. This section is optional but can provide valuable supplementary details. Conclusion. In conclusion, a well-crafted business plan is an invaluable tool for guiding your business's trajectory and attracting investors. By thoroughly addressing each section, you not only enhance your chances of securing funding but also build a strategic blueprint for success in a competitive business landscape. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your business plan template. It is completely free, no strings attached.